Gardening is for everyone, and we want to try to take care of our knees, hips, and back as much as we can so we garden for longer and feel healthy and safe in the garden. Today I wanted to show some tips on how to get off the ground so you don't stress your knees and back while you're getting ready to garden this spring. So one of the things I like to do is to come here to the greenhouse at Bridgewater College and use this elevated table that puts me at exactly the right height so I have no stress. I'm just putting the seeds right on the soil. And this is just so easy, no bending, no lifting, and just watering in the little seeds. If you don't have such a nice high table conveniently in your house or in your garage, you could always think about maybe a cheap card table or a folding table that you could take outside and either use in the garage if it's windy or wet, or in the garden on a beautiful sunny day. There are a number of other things you can purchase at your garden center or online if the height you need may be different because you're in a wheelchair. I have another instrument that I really like for me and my garden. I love a kneeler. It has a pad, so I put my knees on this instead of the cold, wet ground. It's a little bit elevated, and it has these wonderful handles so I can push up and lower myself very comfortably and carefully. This has really come in handy for getting up and down in the garden. The other thing that's a really great trick is this one flips so you have a wonderful little stool so you can sit in the garden and prune, pick, and do whatever you need to do without being on your knees. So make sure you take care of yourself in the garden. Your knees, hips, and back, you want them to last as long as possible. And when it comes time and you can't get down on the ground, think about containers on your patio or deck and raised beds as another opportunity to stay in the garden, getting your fingers in the soil and enjoying your plants.